Another beautiful day of sheltered home. Get back to working on these brakes for a little bit. Got a little bit of a late starting. Fell asleep for a couple hours. Haven't been sleeping well at night, so take it where I can get it. Throw a quick coat of paint on these calipers so they don't yeah, they look a little bit better. Get the calipers on, get the hoses on. Yeah, calipers on, hoses on. I don't know if I'm gonna put, I don't feel like doing tires today, but I can at least let the truck down so that I can get to the master, start working on the booster. I only have, I don't know, maybe 3 hours to get stuff done out here today. Gotta get this valve cover back on this motor. The guy coming to pick it up off of me, and then he's like, "Oh, I thought you said it's a 2017, not a 2013. Like, nope. It says right in the title, 2013. After I took the valve cover off to show him that it did in fact have 20,000 miles on it, and now he's all of a sudden couldn't remember what year it was. Whatever happens. All right, well, back to work, I guess. Well, got a little sidetracked, but calipers are on. A little annoyed that they tell me to simply install the new lines, but that's the hole the original line went into. I'm not sure what that hole was for, but kind of doesn't fit in there all too well. It fits better in that one, but I don't know, it's just, so I don't know what the deal is with that. I don't know if they forgot to ship me something, or maybe there was a bracket I'm supposed to have. I don't know, but see, it just does not. I just don't understand how that goes in there. I know this clip is supposed to hold it in place, but I'm guessing I'm supposed to have some brackets that mount it down here or something along those lines. So I'm gonna do some searching tonight and see. Calipers are on. Hoses are on. Got some work to do on the computer for a little bit, so it's about as far as I'm going today. Tomorrow, I got taxes tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to it tomorrow, but next up is installing the booster / master assembly, and probably going to run some new lines. This one got kind of chewed up trying to get it loose, and it's probably just a good idea to run some new lines anyways, so no big deal. Yeah, so that's where I am stopping today. See you guys later. Well, there's another beautiful day of being sheltered at home. We just got our orders from our governor a couple days ago that he wants to extend the guidelines until April 30th, and the president just announced the same yesterday, so I got more time to work on my truck. I spoke to Speedway about this issue and looked at their website and determined that my kit is missing the brackets that mount the brake hose down here somewhere, wherever, and told them that the kit came with, I think it was about a dozen or so copper washers, but not the brackets, and he didn't seem too surprised by that, so whatever. Anyways, they sent me out the brackets, so free of charge, so big thumbs up to them for that. So I'm gonna get these brackets on and get this lowered down and probably start to install that guy. Not sure if I have, oh yeah, maybe I do. I've got some steel line here. I think that's 3/16. Make sure I have fittings. I'll probably just get, I will just run all new brake line. Been a while since I bent up and cleared some brake line, but no time like the present time, right? A little brighter over here. So, get these on and get the truck lowered and start on the booster and master assembly. See you later. Had to turn the radio down. I want one of my 30 subscribers to turn me in for listening to Primus while I work. Ha 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 ha. Well, got the brackets on. I was able to use some existing holes in the frame. Didn't have to drill any, so that's nice. On to the next piece of the puzzle. Another beautiful day. Well, got the master booster mounted yesterday. Still need to run brake lines. I'm going to do that today. Got a little sidetracked yesterday. I got tired of tripping over crap, so I pulled a bunch of stuff out of here that didn't need to be here and brought it up to the warehouse. So I'm going to continue on with that trend and try and get some of this crap cleaned up so I'm not tripping over stuff. Got a few more things that need to leave and go to the warehouse. But check this thing out. Is that cool or what? Ha 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 ha. It's a personal watercraft. It's got a 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine in it. It was brand new, never used. It basically just drags you around the water. It's called a swimobile. I've never seen another one, just in pictures, and I've never seen another one that was never used. I know a guy that found this in a storage unit. It was still the original box. He threw the box away. I can't believe he threw the box away. Some people. He sold it to another guy, and I bought it from him. Actually, I bought it off of him right before he passed away. Another storage guy. He had cancer and Fought it for a couple years and cancer won. So I'm gonna try and get this garage cleaned up first and try and get some brake lines on that thing. See you later. Thought I lost the camera. Took me 15 minutes to find it. Oh boy, I'm cracking up. Anyways, look, I could just about fit another car in here if I didn't have this. All right, I finally have room to walk around and do things. This is awesome. About 95% of what I need to finish this truck should be on top of, under, some of it next to this table. So, got the tires up there. I got an MSD box and plug wires up there somewhere. Whew. Finally, I can get to work. I'm already tired from doing this. It's got to stay this way, Jim. It's got to stay this way. Having this real bad habit of losing the camera. Well, got lines run down here. First lines I've run in years. It's been years since I've been able to get work like this done. Zip ties are temporary. I've got clamps in this garage somewhere. I gotta find them. Yeah, I know, it's sad. I need to get some more brake lines so I can run a new line going to the rear. But now I'm going to lower the truck down and do the top side of the fronts. Let's get that done. Well, I've got all the front brake line ran. I think I have enough here to do the rear, so I'm going to attempt to do the rear, see what happens. Wish me luck. Alright, so I have all the brake lines run. I ended up keeping the rear hard line that was on it because it was still in good shape. I really hate to replace things that are still in good shape, and it's kind of a pain to get to, so didn't really see the need to do it. So the front brakes, rear brakes are all hooked up. I still need to fill with fluid, hook up the rod to the pedal, and bleed the brakes. But other than that, brakes are on and together. Next, I think I'm going to try to crack this open and get whatever fuel is still in the tank out of here. A few other things I still have to do is get rid of the rest of this exhaust. Need to run new trans lines and probably get the radiator in to mock it up, mock up the trans lines, and get that done while I'm under here. But I might have to put the headers on first. I don't know. We'll see. Well, let's see if this guy will crack open and go from there.